This is the first job opening that we have, which is in Barrett Labs. They are hiring for graphics security consultant, graphic designer, and sales executive. So this is for us security consultant. Mail ID is this one. If you're applying and not getting response, call on this number, right? मतलब देखो इसमें you have a benefit, right? If you're applying, most of the time you think like you're not getting the update, right? You are just applying, you're not getting update. Just drop your resume and ask him why I'm not getting update. Are you hiring or not? So that you can build a pressure, right? Now next one is basically someone is hiring for a VAPT and red teaming professional, web, mobile, network, cloud, pen testing, red teaming, active directory model, threat analysis, and all those things. This is mail ID swarna.pati@in.gt.com. And guys, basically, as we all know, there's a lot of hiring in cybersecurity in the web application pen testing. So if you want to learn about web application pen testing, you can check out this domain, and I can guarantee you will never regret, right? And this will be one of the best decision you can have in your life, because this domain is something which is very much fascinating. Everyone wants मुझे hacker बनना है, but no one become. So this is how you can join. You need to check out TCI, right? You need to check out TCI if you want to learn about web application pen testing, right? Now next is, I repeat, viehgroup.com/TCI, right? From where you can learn about web application pen testing. Next is hiring in Mumbai. Someone is hiring a cybersecurity operation specialist, where you should have knowledge of VAPT, SIM, SOC, and all those things. Mumbai, 4 September is the application closing date. 3 to 5 years of experience is required. This is the job description. You can check out. This is the Google public where you can apply. So if you want to learn about SOC, because there's a lot of hiring in SOC as well, you can check out this URL, viehgroup.com/SOC, right? Next news is red team engineer lead, lead pit pen testing. Of course, these are the expertise skills required, purple teaming, all those things. Certificate OSCP is must, and CRTP will be a plus point. 6+ years of experience is required. So this is for the experienced folks. Bangalore, work from office. This is a mail ID, talent@ambussolution.com. Next one is BDM. Requirement is cybersecurity product and service sales. MEA market experience, VAPT, SOC, red teaming, GRC enterprises experience is 4+ years of experience is required. Dubai, UAE is the location, and employment is full time. Mail is talent@ambussolutions.com, right? Guys, drop a thumbs up, like button, so that I can keep creating these videos and you will get jobs one day. Next is job opening, cybersecurity trainee. So probably this is for the freshers, and have those who have basic knowledge, they can join. 6 months of experience required, which is in Jaipur, which is they want you to work as a cybersecurity trainee. Mail ID jyoti.chawla@squares.com, and WhatsApp number is 9799074999. And this is the thing that you need to follow. Basic knowledge of networking, Linux, Windows, cybersecurity fundamentals, and all those things. So if you have, you can join. You can be instructor. Next one is junior security analyst, mobile app, API, all those knowledge is required on those things. This is for freshers because they want 0 to 2 years of experience, right? And this is what you can get. I mean, analyst support at cybersecurity.com, and just write junior security analyst at cybersecurity.com is the in the subject line, right? Now next one is someone is hiring as an operation specialist, vulnerability management DevOps specialist in Bangalore. 5 to 8 years of experience required. Management team is 09 team lead. They want Bangalore based job, and these are things they required. You can pause this video to watch exactly what they want. rohini.ahmed@accenture.com. They're hiring Accenture, the company जिसके अंदर मैंने 15 मिनट में बग निकाला था दो. Now that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn about SOC, you can check out this URL, viehgroup.com/SOC. If you want to learn about web application pen testing, then you can check out viehgroup.com TCI, right? Cyber coffee पीते हो cyber security में, then must subscribe this channel, Cyber and Coffee. Now if you have any questions, please drop